The container effects jitter color will allow us to colorize a series of containers. You can see I have a scene set up here. I have a series of cubes as subcontainers of a main container here. I'm going to drag my container effects jitter color onto my topmost container that contains all of my subcontainers. Now notice I do not have a material on it, rather I have an image mapped to it. If I click on my container effects jitter color, at the very bottom here we have two choices for a color. I have a start color, I have an end color. If you click on it, you get a color wheel. You also have your HSL, your RGB, and your other color settings that you can check down here. You also have an alpha, which is the transparency setting. Choose any color you want here for the begin and the end color, and then what you do is come up to your progress percentage and you adjust this, and now it's going to start changing these colors between them. So anything between green and this pinkish color, you'll see get colorized within these cubes. Like the other container effects plugins, you have your direction. It's set to start by default, and then the same settings as the other container effects plugin. Same with the interpolate, which will help you interpolate your keyframes, your effect range, and random seed. One thing to know when you're using these colorized plugins with the container effects is that if you do come in and drag a material onto one of your containers, that material is going to take over. So now that you have a blue material on that particular container, that blue material on that container is going to override that colorize.